China is scared. The world is finally waking up to the possibility that the COVID pandemic may have started from a lab. And even if the Chinese government is able to lock up its citizens forcefully as the virus spreads there again, it seems to be getting more difficult to lock up the truth, whatever it may be. The latest worry for China is an appeal by the World Health Organization. The WHO wants China to share raw data of the earliest COVID cases in the country. It has also called upon Beijing to allow retesting of samples in labs outside the country. The WHO also asked all countries to depoliticize the situation and help accelerate the origin study. Beijing's response to this appeal has been very cold. Here is what the country's vice foreign minister said. We support scientific tracing and oppose political tracing of COVID's origin. The WHO-China joint report was recognized by scientists and the global community and shouldn't be abandoned. Future global traceability work should be based on this report rather than starting a new one. The joint report that the Chinese government referred to was prepared in early 2021. A WHO team of experts visited China's Wuhan earlier this year to prepare the Phase 1 report. It was prepared with China's help, but failed to conclusively find the origin of the COVID pandemic. The report said that the virus jumping from bats to humans via an intermediate host was most probable. The report called the possibility of leak from a lab as extremely unlikely.